5 proven strategies for choosing a profitable product to sell on Amazon. I'm gonna go through a lot of information, so make sure to take notes. Number 1, learn how to do market research. What does that mean? Learn to look for products that are making good money. Usually I want products that make more than $3,000 a month and that have low competition. What is low competition? You want your average competitor selling the product that you are selling to have less than 300 reviews. Number 2, don't sell seasonal products. Remember, you're starting an Amazon business to create a passive source of income that earns you money throughout the whole year, not just for 2 months. So don't sell products that only sell for Halloween or Christmas or only for winter or summer. Number 3, make sure that the product that you are selling is making you an over 30% profit margin, meaning that if you're selling a product on Amazon for $15, you're making at least a $5 profit per piece after you take out your manufacturing cost, your shipping cost, and your Amazon FBA fees. Number 4, I recommend that for your first couple products that you sell on Amazon, I want them to weigh less than 3 pounds and I want them to fit inside a backpack or a shoebox. Now, the reason why is you want to keep your initial costs low, because if a product is too heavy or it's too big, you're gonna be spending a lot of money when it comes to shipping the product from China to the Amazon warehouse, and also you're gonna be spending a lot of money on Amazon storage fees. And finally, number 5, make sure that you're not selling a trademark or patented product on Amazon. Now for trademarks, what you can do is you can go to USPTO trademark search and then search for the name or maybe a brand name that you are looking into selling under on Amazon and make sure that it's not trademarked. Now, if you would like more information on how to sell on Amazon and how to find profitable and safe products to sell on the platform, then all you have to do is go ahead, comment the word product below, and I'll send you over that free training video.